Most people get this wrong. They assume Advance Republic is just another payday app with high fees. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it has evolved into a flexible and fast platform for managing short-term cash needs responsibly. Here's how it works. Advance Republic allows users to access a portion of their earned wages or request a short-term cash advance. Funds typically arrive within hours, which is ideal for emergencies like car repairs, medical bills, or urgent household expenses. What sets it apart is its clear, upfront repayment structure. Users always know exactly how much they need to pay back, and when, reducing the risk of hidden fees. Another benefit is its financial tracking features. The app offers repayment reminders, spending insights, and alerts for upcoming obligations. This makes Advance Republic more than a cash advance app. It acts as a mini financial assistant for short-term planning. The downside? Overuse can get expensive. If you rely on advances for everyday spending, fees can quickly add up. The key is to use it for emergencies or planned short-term needs. Tips for smart use. 1. Only request advances you can comfortably repay. 2. Set reminders and stick to repayment dates. 3. Use the tracking tools to monitor spending and avoid surprises. Who benefits most? People with regular income who occasionally need fast cash. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may face higher costs. In conclusion, Advance Republic in 2026 is fast, practical, and user-friendly, but only when used responsibly. Treat it as an emergency tool. Plan repayments carefully and track your spending. Subscribe for honest app reviews and actionable financial tips.